delivering data accurately. If my data is 10101, the same accurate data should be delivered to destination side as well. Even if a single bit is changed from 1 to 0, entire meaning will be changed. We have learned already. Sir, this is only 0, no, sir. Last bit only, no, sir. That is changed from 10101 to 111. Like this, it has delivered at the destination side. You have generated like this, but it has delivered like this. Sir, will it be any impact? Yes, 100%. My answer is it will impact, my dear students. Even a single bit is corrupted, even a single bit is changed from 0 to 1, entire meaning will be changed. You have to be very cautious. Using electronic gadgets or using smartphones or using smart devices is not only smart, you also have to be very smart. Sir, my TVs are very smart. See, the electronic gadgets that are coming today in the market are very smart devices. TV that is coming today, smart electronic device. Alexa that is coming, smart electronic device. On behalf of us, all works Alexa does. Sometimes when you say Alexa, please turn on my light, it will turn on my light as well. Is it not performing all the tasks? Yes, it is doing it. And the cooker that are coming in the modern days, all they are, cooker can be connected in the network. Sir, are you crazy, sir? Can the cooker be connected in the network? Yes, yes, beta, I am telling you, cooker can be connected in the network. The moment you press the button, the cooker start cooking. You may be at the office, you will press the button and start driving to your home. The moment you come back, and not only it starts cooking, it is also giving information. Half person cooked, 70% cooking is done, 80% cooking is done, and remaining in 1 minute, entire cooking will be done. I will shut down myself. See, not only turning on, it is shutting down itself as well. You have to be very smart enough while using the electronic gadgets. So as we are coming modern trend, sir, can my fan be connected in the network? Why not? Why not? I am telling you, fans are also can be connecting. The moment you enter, automatically the sensors will work and sensors will turn on the fan. At the same time, for example, if I go somewhere else, if I wanted to attend some marriages, I go the marriages at attend. The moment I attend the marriages, whenever I wanted to watch my home, I can watch my home live with the help of CC cameras which are connected to my Wi-Fi. I'm watching my home, what is happening, what my dog is doing, what who else is roaming around my home. Everything I'll be watched live when my electronic gadget, that is Wi-Fi, when my cameras are connected to the network, I can be watched live. See, what am I trying to talk in front of you all? Better, you have to be very cautious. Don't blindly accept all the applications. It is asking permissions of your contact, you're simply pressing yes. It is asking cameras, you are pressing yes. Nothing you'll do, you will simply press next. Abba sir, I purchased a new mobile. No, it is asked everything next. I pressed next. You take the selfies, upload in the WhatsApp, only you enjoy that. Someone views that and click, ah, beautiful. But what is happening background when you press all next? It is everything taking all your details, what website you are opening, and what videos you are watching, and what are the things that you are most interested in. What is your Amazon account? What is your Facebook account? Everything will be watched, tracked live. Where are you at last night? Where are you at? Particular amount of time. Google is also tracking. Google Maps is also tracking and showing all favorites of you without your involvement. Also, it is showing. Advertisement is coming. How is that coming? Are you not simply hitting next? Yes, you are doing. Not only being the smart, using the smart gadgets is really important, but how smart you are. How smart means not applying fair and lovely and all, not. This smartness is different. How smart you are using in a smart electronic gadgets is really important. You would not tell, sir, I use fair and lovely, sir, I look very smart, but my data, all personal data, is hacked by the hackers. What is the story? Nothing story. Take the white kerchief, put on your head, and sing a very big song which you like interested more enough. Right. So we learn all about accuracy. Data must be delivered accurately, and then timeliness. Oh, beautiful. Now, for example, consider all you're waiting for CN exam to be conducted. Don't worry, I'll conduct the exam also. Right. You have all seated for the final exam, and you are waiting for the question paper to be delivered. And how will you get the question paper? When the exam branch issues a question paper, you will get the question paper. Okay, beautiful. Now, for example, you're all waiting for the question paper to be delivered. Or maybe, for example, let's take another example. You are sending a message, hi, hello, how are you? Is a message that you are sending to your friend. This message is to be delivered to your destination fellow. Let's name here A and your friend name is B. You are telling, hi, hello, how are you? This message is to be sent to your destination. Now, for example, consider if it is taking 2 years of time to deliver the data. How much time? My God, how much time? 2 years of data, 2 years. 2 years it is taking to deliver your data to the destination side. Not even 2 months, 2 weeks, or 2 years time it is taking to deliver your data to the destination side. Will it be good? If it is not timingly delivering the data, will it be good? In these 2 years of time, your destination fellow may be alive or may be shift deleted. For example, data is delivered to the destination side after destination fellow passed away. He has passed away, expired. Now, data after 2 years of time, data delivered to the destination side stating, hi, hello, how are you? Are you good? The destination fellow from the heaven, he might be telling, Nuve na prana snehitudu, you are my close friend. Even after I am expiring, you are sending the data. That is the beauty behind you. Please come up. We will play together. Possible sometimes, isn't it? See, what am I trying to convey is data must be delivered to the destination side in a timely manner. If you are performing bank transaction, OTP, it is telling enter OTP details. OTP is not coming. What will you do? You will run here and there for network. No, sir, here network is not possible. Sir, bank transaction is on the way. I am paying the college fee. OTP is not yet coming. You will not run for the network. See, data communication has to send the data in a timely manner. If your OTP is not coming within the specified ample of time, then what is the use of talking about all these things? Conclusion of the story is data must be delivered to the destination side in a timely manner. If the data is not delivered to the destination in a timely manner, then we would get lot of problems. That is another story you have to remember all about. What is timeliness? Delivering the data in a timely manner is called timeliness. Beautiful. Right. Next, we'll talk about jitter. Have you not ever seen a YouTube video? Sir, every day morning I'll be sitting on YouTube only, keep on watching. Last episode of Big Boss I missed. Today I'm watching that, sir. I'll break your bones if you all do that. Right. Very good. Come back. What is the question I was shooting you all about? Have you ever seen an audio or have you ever seen TV? Do you really watch TV? Yes, sir. 24 by 7, I'll be keep on watching all the serials, sir. From 4 o'clock onwards, beautiful serials comes into the picture, sir. Kartika Deepam, so on so forth. Many serials will go on, sir. I'll keep on watching, covering all the things after 4 o'clock. Our classes will be finished. I'll be watching. What am I trying to talk is, whenever you try to watch a video contains both audio packets and video packets. Now, as a video, when you try to download a video, both it contains what contains? It contains video packets as well as what? Audio packets. Audio packets and video packets both must be synchronized each other. There should not be more gap between while playing audio packets and video packets. Jitter, what do you mean by jitter? Jitter is a small deviation between audio packets and video packets. If this delay is more, sir, what happens if the delay is more, sir? I'll tell you the story. When delay is more, when audio packet and video packets gap is more, they are not synchronized. What happens? Audio will be different and video will be different. Video will be something called death scene is coming, and the background audio what it is playing, Jalakadikula, some song is playing. Will that be good? Will you enjoy, sir? This is very nice, sir. Will you enjoy? Yes, definitely you'll enjoy, but in real world that should not happen. Audio packets, video packets have to be synced each other. There should not be more deviation between audio packets and video packets. In earlier days, when you try to watch Doordarshan, when you see the news reader lip movement, audio movement will be different. In last 2000 also we faced these difficulties. As the technology today improved, network is available anywhere. That problem is not seen nowadays. But earlier, when we used to watch the TV, the news reader lip movement and background what they are showing, both of them are different because of jitter. What is jitter? A jitter is a small deviation between audio packets and video packets. That deviation should not be more. That is the whole story you have to remember all about. So I'm clear, done with these 4 points. Delivery, data should be delivered to exact destination. Accuracy, data must be delivered accurately. Whatever generated, same story should be reflected at destination. Timeliness, data must be delivered in a timely manner. If it is delivered to the data at the destination side after a specified ample of time, there is no use. Right. And then what is the last one? Jitter. What is jitter? A small deviation between audio packets and video packets. Both audio and video packets should be synchronized. If the gap is more, then audio packets playing and video packets playing will be different, where we will see the different story. Very good. These are the things that you have to understand, and we'll go and talk with the next flavor. What is the next flavor all about? Data flow. Very, very important. What is data flow? Now, two systems, when they wanted to communicate each other, they are connected in one fashion, isn't it? They have to be connected. Now, what is this connection line called? This connection line called path or transmission medium. Very good. Okay, this is A and B. I know you are all worried about only this fellow, what they are doing sitting here, what are they doing. Don't concentration on these two fellows. They are simply trying to send the data. Okay. Now let's come back and understand. System A wanted to send data to system B. Very good. This is system A and this fellow is system B. When A wanted to send information to B, this A and B are to be connected in fashion with the help of what? Path. What is path called? Transmission medium. What is transmission medium all about? Transmission medium is anything which carries the data from source to destination. Okay. Now this data transmission from A to B can be characterized into three flavors, my dear students. How many? Three types we have. Sending of data from source to destination can be of how many types? Three types. Right. First one is simplex. Oh, beautiful. First one is what? Simplex. The second one is half duplex. Even more beautiful. Okay. Right. And then, third one. What is third one? Full duplex. Acha, acha, acha. Very good. Very good. Very good. So how many types we can send the data from source to destination? Data flow. Here you can observe data flow can be of three types. What are those? The first one. This fellow is the first one. Simplex, half duplex, and then full duplex. Very good. Very good. Let's talk about the simplex. What is simplex? Come along with me to the process. Very, very important. Come along with me. What is simplex? Sending data from source to destination only in one direction. Appa, sir, what is this, sir? Right. Come back, come along with me. Now, always when there are two systems here, one is mainframe, another one is a computer. Always data will be sent in only one direction. This fellow, mainframe computer, will always be sending the data. Always the other fellow will be under which state? Receiving state. Such a type of communication is called simplex communication. I repeat once again. What is simplex? Sending data only in one direction. Now, when what happens? Right here. This fellow always trying to mainframe is always trying to send the data to the other fellow monitor. This monitor should be under only a state. What is that state called? Receiving state. Sir, can this fellow able to send the data? No, it is not possible. It is not at all possible. In which case? In case of simplex. What is simplex? Sending, always sending the data in only one direction. Sir. We wanted to have more clarity here, sir. Can you give us some example? Okay. Keyboard is the best example. Keyboard, how, sir? How it is possible? Keyboard, with the help of keyboard, it is always used to give input only. Can we able to see output through the keyboard? If you say yes, I'll join you in Eragada. With the help of keyboard, what could we do? We can only able to give input only. Is it not unidirectional or one way communication? 100% yes. Is it not simplex communication? Yes, 100% simplex communication. What is simplex? Sending data in only one direction is called simplex communication. Sir, any other example? Right. When you talk about traditional monitors, I am talking not advanced, traditional monitors. All monitors can be acted as, one directional. How monitors are always used to show output only. Can you able to give input through monitor? Sir, mine is touch screen, sir. With the help of touch screen I can give input also, sir. That's what beginning of my sentence I told you. Traditional computers, not advanced computers. All your traditional computers will be considered as simplex communication. What is simplest communication? Monitor always gives the output. Keyboard always gives the input. We cannot use it for bidirectional data. That is nothing but what? Simplex. Sending data in only one way is called simplex. One fellow will always be under sending, other fellow should be under a state called what? Receiving state. As simple as that. Beautiful. Very good. Let's talk now about half duplex. What is half duplex? Consider I have system A and then I have system B here. Now system A and B can communicate each other. A can send the data, B can also send the data, but not at the same point of time. I repeat once again. Now in case of half duplex, what is happening? A can send the data and B also can send the data, but what is the story that you have to remember? The story is not at the same point of time. When sender is under sending mode, receiver must be under receiving mode. When receiver is under sending mode, this first fellow should be under receiving mode, vice versa. When A is under sending, B should be under receiving. When B is under sending mode, A should be under receiving. As simple as that. Sir. Please give us some examples, sir. Walkie talkies that used by the police. What they do, right? For example, these walkie talkies are being given to the students. How they will use? Right. One fellow will press the button who is standing on the first floor. Press the button. Attention, please. Manoj sir is coming. Over, and release the button. All the other fellows will sit silently. The other fellow, how do they respond? The other fellow, Manoj sir is coming. I am shift deleting. Over, releases the button. Now, are they communicating at the same point of time? No. When one fellow is giving information, other fellow is under receiving mode. When one fellow finishes its command telling over, this over acts like what? Acts like a termination, ending of their message. My message delivering is finished. If anyone else in the network wanted to communicate, you can take the chance by pressing the button. You can talk. As simple as that. So what am I trying to convey in front of you all is walkie talkies are the best example. A can send the data to B and B can also send the data to A, but not at the same point of time. When A is under sending mode, receiver must be under receiving mode. When receiver is under sending mode, A should automatically should come into receiving mode. Okay, very good, sir. Understood, sir. Then what is full duplex, sir? Okay. Now let's talk about full duplex. What is full duplex? The full duplex is nothing but sending and receiving the data by both the systems at the same point of time. Same point of time, sender can send the data at the same minute, same nanoseconds. Destination will also can send the data. Now, what is a live example? Lively, we are all connected to each other. If I ask someone to talk at the same point of time when I am trying to speak, can you not able to speak? Yes, you can able to speak, but don't do that now. It will get lot of disturbance. Sir, ఒక్కసారి troll కొడతాం sir. No, please. Later you can. I'll give you a chance. You can talk. We do also have seminar session. I'll give all the chance to students to speak where you'll become the teachers, and I'll also ask the students to give seminar on a topic that particular time. You can give your session as well. Okay, very good. Now, what is full duplex? Sending data from source to destination, destination to source at the same point of time. The best example is your mobile phones. When one fellow is trying to talk at the same point of time, can you not interrupt that fellow and talk or give your own idea? Can you able to do that? Yes, 100% you can do that as well. Such communication comes under what? Full duplex. As simple as that. Right. Now, how many types of data flows are there? Three types. What are those? One is Abhishek Reddy is there live.
Yes,
Abhishek.
sir.
Oh, very good. Tata Docomo offer have come to Yuma today. There are three types of data flow.
Yes,
Do you
sir.
agree with me or not?
Yes, sir.
I say four.
No, sir.
How many?
Three. Simplex,
What?
half duplex, full duplex.
Okay, very good. Now tell me without seeing.
Simplex, half duplex, full duplex.
Okay, I thought you will be delivering delivery accuracy, timeliness, and jitter. Okay, very good. Okay, out of these three, can you explain any one, ma?
Simplex, the
Hmm.
monitor should be on receiving side, mainframe is sending side.
Okay, anything else you wanted to talk? వద్దు సార్ నా సావుకు వచ్చింది పండుకుంటా అంటవా
No,
No,
sir.
you should not sleep. Listen, 100% your concentration is needed. You can go in muted mode. Right.
Sir.
So these are the three ways that you have simplex, half duplex, and then followed by full duplex. And Abhishek Reddy, one more question for you. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, sir. అయిపోయింది అనుకున్నా సార్ జస్ట్ కూర్చోబోతున్నా మళ్ళా నన్ను అడుగుతున్నారు రైట్ వన్ క్వశ్చన్ under what circumstances you will go with simplex, at what point of time you will work with half duplex, and at what point of time you will go with full duplex. I told you to send the data and given you these three techniques. Which one you will opt and why so?
First
I asked
one,
you to I asked you to send the data, and out
first
of these three, which one you will opt? First one, why?
um, sending, receiving side only once.
Okay, very good. Beautiful, beautiful. Thank you very much for helping you. I am asking questions to the students, not to insult any one of the students, to make you attentive in my lecture. That's it. Nothing you have to take it till heart. Okay, very good. Now
Thank.
the question, according to Abhishek, is he's selecting simplex. If I ask any other students, what will you be selecting? The answer is as simple as that, depending on the requirement. If your requirement is only to send the data, go and work with simplex, as it is will not increase your cost and much. You will go and work with simplex. No, no, sir, I wanted to have communication but not at the same point of time is also chelta. We don't wanted to communicate at the same point of time and wanted to reduce the cost, then go and work with half duplex. You can send the data, other fellow will be under receiving. When other fellow is under sending mode, the first fellow will be under right receiving mode, vice versa. No, no, sir, my project is demanding to send the data and receive the data at same point of time. Can I work with simplex? No. Can I work with half duplex? No. What is your requirement? Your requirement is demanding for what? Communication between source and destination at same point of time. Then you cannot go and work with all the remaining above one. You have to work with what? Full duplex. Right. That is the thing what you have to learn all about. So before we talk the next one, what is that next one? Network criterias. Okay, when do you say network is said to be very good network? Can anyone help me? When, under what circumstances, you might say a network is a very good network? We are talking here network criteria. Right. Before we talk about network criteria, let me remind you definition of a network. What is a network? Interconnection of two or more devices is called a network. Why are they interconnecting? To exchange the information, right? A, B, C, all of them are interconnected to each other. Now my question is, why are they interconnected? To send the data. Sir, can I connect any device in the network? Yes, beta, you can connect any kind of device, but all the devices what all you are trying to have capability of what I am underlining. Look at capability of sending and receiving the data generated by other nodes or other computers. Any device you can connect, not at all a problem. I don't limit you. But any device that you are connecting in the network, sir, I want to connect my phone in the network, sir. Can I able to connect? Yes. Who is limiting you, beta? You can connect. But the thing that you have to understand is the device that are being connected in the network must and should have what? Sending and receiving capabilities. Unless and until that receiving and sending capabilities are not there, gone. Connecting the components in the network is waste. Sir, can I connect my fan in the network, sir? Just I will see. You can connect, but fan should have at least a sensor to sense the people that who are coming inside, and then automatically you should turn on. Sir, I want to connect, something else in the network, sir. I want to connect, my general fan in the network, sir. Can I able to connect? No, you cannot do that. Right. Now, what circumstances? See, when do you say a network is said to be good? A network is said to be very good depending on network criteria. See, this should be good. What is it? Performance of the network should be good. Reliability of the network should be good. A network also should provide what? Security. In another 7 minutes, we are going to wind off and good to go for the lunch. Sir, lunch అంతా గుర్తు చేసి ఆల్రెడీ కూర్చొని తింటూనే ఉన్నాం సార్. Don't do that, my dear students. Let us give respect to the subject. Let us give respect to the teachers. Let us give respect to the education system. If you are sleeping and listening, please don't do that. Sit. You have to give the respect. Unless you give respect, you don't settle down properly. Please give the respect to the education system. We are working very hard to make our students brighter and brighter. What all the knowledge we have, we are sharing with you. Please, I request all the students to kindly follow the protocol, set of rules and regulations that are to be followed during the education system. If you are getting a call, please don't attend. Are you getting WhatsApp messages? Please don't attend. Concentrate on the studies. Right. Now, when do you say a network is said to be good network? A network is said to be very good when it satisfies these three things. What are those three things? Performance, reliability, security. Out of three, we will talk only first one and wind up our story here. Okay, very good, very good. Sir, what is performance, sir? Okay, consider. What is a network, sir? In the network, there will be only three systems, sir. No. Network is a combination of trillions and millions of components which are interconnected to each other. My dear students, you have to more concentrate. Right. Sir, what is this zero and cross you're drawing, sir? Those are called routers. Listen carefully. Very important discussion we are coming. Very good. This is system A wanted to send system B. This is completely here we call it as what network. In the network we have lot of routers. Right. This is router 1, this is router 2, and this is router 3. Right. In general we will be using the terms, please remember, hub, we will be using switch, we will be using routers, right, and then servers, bridges, right, so on so forth. We will mostly concentrate on these areas. Out of this all, which is the most intelligent fellow? Routers are very intelligent fellow. They know what they are doing. They know how they are interacting with others. They know which is the shortest path from source to destination. They also know if a particular router goes down, what to be done. Routers are very intelligent, beta. You have to be very cautious, right? There is one more router, right? There is consider there is one more router, right? There is one more router connected from R2 to this is another router R4 connected directly to the destination. Very beautiful. Now see here, as routers are very intelligent, right? See, as the routers are very intelligent, router 1 knows to whom it is connected. Tell me what are the neighbors of R1? Neighbors of R1, it is directly connected to R2 and it is also connected to A. That means router will be having complete knowledge on its own. At the same time, it is also having knowledge on its neighbors also. Who are the neighbors of R1? R2 and source fellow A. Who are the neighbors of R2? R2 neighbors are R1, R3 and R4. Now this R2 will not have its own information but also have the others information also, unlike you do, isn't it? Now see, when there is no, do you have any direct link from R1 to R4? Is there any direct link? No, there is no direct link. Even though there is no direct link between R1 and R4, but still R1 will be knowing all the information at what time R4 is sending the data, what are the protocols available, what time it is sleeping, what time it is owning the system. Every information will be known by R1, though there is no direct link. Is that not happens with our real world also? Colony fellows, neighbors, what they do, even though they don't have link between, first colony and second colony, but still they completely know the information about what is the second colony fellow, second house, what is happening currently now. Everything will be known. How is that happening? Neighbors are, chit chatting. Neighbors are communicating and sending all other neighbors information to some other neighbors. Similarly, routers also communicate each other and then sends the information. Don't worry currently about advanced flavor. I'll tell you more about that. See, what am I trying to do is when source fellow prepares the data, prepared data is given to R1, and then that data after checking authentication forwarded to R2, and that data forwarded to R3, and finally my data makes delivered to destination side. What am I trying to convey before we log out from this session? Every router, every component in the network must and should have high performance. If R1 is taking the data very fastly, R2 is slowly responding. Tell me, does my network performance will go down or not? 100% my network will go down. For example, you have opened google.com. Google.com you have typed. The moment you enter google.com, right top corner, will you not be able to see the connecting symbol? Yes, you will see the connecting symbol. Okay, it is getting connected. Because of your low bandwidth or network issues, is it connecting? After 2 minutes of time, you have seen into your screen, still connecting. 2 days of time, still connecting. You got irritated. After 2 weeks of time, you have seen your computer, still it is telling page is loading, google.com page is loading. After 2 years of time, still you have seen your computer, still it is loading. What will you do immediately? Right. This is what the story you will be doing. Will you not break your computer if it is not responding properly? Will you not irritate? Yes, sometimes you do that. You wanted to break your computer also when it is not giving high performance. What am I trying to convey in front of you all is when all the components are interconnected in the network, all the components have to perform 100% efficiently. If any one of the component is not properly working, then performance of the network goes down. Then that makes our irritation. Who has to take the performance capabilities? Network has to ensure it gives 100% good performance. For example, you have inserted ATM card. The moment you inserted ATM card, what it will ask? Enter the PIN number. The moment you enter the PIN number, it has to give other options, isn't it? It is not responding properly. What will you do? Sitting on the ATM or maybe standing on the ATM, will you not beat side? When I ask the students, why are you beating side, sir? It is not responding, sir. The moment I am trying to take, the amount is about to come, but power gone, sir. That's what I am beating side, sir. Will you not do that? Yes, you will do sometimes. What am I trying to convey, my dear students? All the electronic gadgets which are connected in the network have to give 100% its performance. If any one of the component is not properly responding, then your network performance will go down. Who has to ensure that network performance? Right. Network criteria has to ensure the network performance. Okay, beautiful. Now, before we wind up our lecture, are you sending WhatsApp messages? Yes. Are you sending your WhatsApp messages securely? Is your data encrypted? Is your data encrypted? I don't know, sir. Are you logging your details? Are you performing any bank transaction? Is your transaction details are encrypted? I don't know, sir. Are you browsing anything on your internet? Is that connection secured? I don't know, sir. Right. If you want to know how your data is securely sent from source to destination, how encryption is done, what is encryption, what is decryption, how your WhatsApp messages are encrypted while you send the data. Don't miss my tomorrow's lecture. If you want to know about the answer, don't miss my tomorrow's lecture. Let's see what's a beautiful concept awaited for tomorrow. Thank you, and once again back tomorrow. I would like to answer your questions if you have any. Over to the students now. Do you have any questions? Yes, sir. I have a question, sir. Night I am not getting sleep, sir. What to be done? Give me your address. I have very long stick. The moment I come to your home, you'll automatically get the slip. Any other questions you wanted to know from my side? Right, before we go out from here and have great lunch, I would like to ask a question to all the students. Have you learned something today, everyone? Right. So someone is asking me, sir, how to, you said you'll be sending how data is sent from source to destination. Right. In the chat box, they have given. Right. So, sir, you said you will say about transferring of data in Gmail, much data. Okay. Why large amount of data cannot be forwarded through WhatsApp or Gmail, anything? So, once again, if you want to know the answer, don't miss my tomorrow's lecture once again. Now, I promise I'll tell you tomorrow. Uh, if you want to know the answer, then don't miss my tomorrow's lecture. Be attentive and come tomorrow. We will see what exactly happens when we come across the terms called OSI reference model and TCP IP reference model. Right. So you have to be very cautiously waiting for this answer. You have to wait. Anything else? Nothing else, sir. వదిలిపెడితే మేము వెళ్ళిపోదామని రెడీగా ఉన్నాం. The only thing is, we were told like you will be taking attendance. If the attendance is taken, we will shift delete. We will not even captured in recycle bin also, sir. Such hungry we have. Okay. Already one fellow left, Mohammed Salman. Okay. Anything else you would like to know from my side? If not, you can leave for the session. Thank you, and once again back tomorrow.